Little fireplace. See if you can get a view. It might be bats. Let me know what you saw up there in the comments. Golly, what are they doing? I've never seen Daddy Longlegs do that. If you know what they're doing, let me know in the comments. I've never seen them weebling, wobbling, shaking like that. These stairs are freaking me out, man, but I might attempt it. I might attempt it for the YouTube, okay? See if I run into each other. Look at these stairs, man. They're so skinny. And they go up and up. Dude, that's kind of claustrophobic, freaky right there, man. I don't think I'm going. And right here, you take these little steps, and you're on top of the castle, okay? So, if you come right over here, you couldn't even get out anyway. These were those little skinny stairs. Let me sneak you in here. Those were the little skinny stairs where they lead to. You can't even get out anyway. We got some stairs to climb. I have a feeling this is a great spot to find a Sasquatch. So, as we hike, we'll keep an eye out. I will keep you guys posted. Check out these steps here. If you think Bigfoot may be in the Arbuckle Mountains, let me know in the comments, okay? These are from the 1930s. We're stepping on Oklahoma history right here. Boa?
Bom demais.
Bom demais. She's hanging on, trooping through. Looks like we got a little more castle right here. I don't know if you can see it through the trees, but there's a little more castle up ahead. Okay? Who knows? Could be Bigfoot's castle. Nobody else is living here right now. Oh, talk about getting a good bun burner, calf burner. This is what you need right here. All these steps. Coming up the mountainside. Some good exploration. We're heading on up to the viewpoint that overlooks the waterfall. Right now we found ourselves in a small structure here. Guess if you're hiking, need to escape the rain, escape the sun, swing on by here. We'll continue forth. Making our way up the mountain. So far, no Bigfoot. But that doesn't mean he's not here. I'll flip the camera around and give you guys a different POV for you POV sickos out there. I tell you what, it's a pretty steep incline. Am I right? Repping Brazil today. Repping Brazil in that gold, green, and blue jersey. We're trekking. Bring you some good footwear. I'm in the Brazilian sandals, but leave that to the experts, okay? Y'all are gonna be shocked the day that Bigfoot jumps out right in front of my camera. Y'all are all gonna be sorry for doubting me. I think we're nearing the top. Oklahoma gem for you right there. All right, we're headed back down that mountain. We're headed back down this mountain to go to that waterfall. We will be heading out to eastern Oklahoma here in a day or two. There's some thick forest out there. So perhaps we'll find the squatch, and my dog will be with me. He's great for sniffing out squatches, so that'll help. Beautiful clear water. Got a nice little clear pool right there, right at the foot of the mountain. She's going. She ain't stopping. Watch her go. Looks like she's walking on water. And there's that waterfall. Let's get over there and do some swimming. Major damage. About to go swim right under that waterfall. We're making our way slowly but surely. Letting you soak in every minute. Looks like Jurassic Park. Got a couple admirers. There she is in all her glory. Turner Falls. Look at that water. Yeah, that is in Oklahoma. This is indeed Oklahoma. Turner Falls. Looks like Brazil. Poco?
More or less. Pouco.
A little bit like Brazil. All right, I'm gonna get in that water. All right, we're getting out here into the falls. We got them behind us. Here at Turner Falls. Be careful for the rocks. The water is nice and cold, nice and clear. Good stuff. All right, I'm gonna hand the phone over so I can really get down here and dip. Got a cave up there, right above the waterfall. We're right here in front of Turner Falls. Water's super clear. I haven't seen any fish. So if fish is your concern, if you got a fish spear, no need to worry. I haven't seen any. Beautiful falls. We got a cave right up here. Super nice, man. I do recommend it. If you're in Oklahoma, about an hour, 20 minutes south of Oklahoma City, get on down here to Turner Falls State Park. Unfortunately, they don't allow dogs here, so you'll have to leave your friends at home. I don't see why not. I mean, I guess maybe you can't even take them to the cabins. I don't know. Call ahead and ask, make sure, because I don't think they allow dogs, so that's the only downside about this spot. Other than that, unless you don't like dogs, then it's an upside for you. Other than that, super cool. Check out this natural, smoothed out rocks. Very, very cool landscape. There's the cave. I'm not sure if you can see that cave up there or not. Tucked away right behind those leaves. Looks like a good Bigfoot den. I'm standing flat foot in the water. I'm 5'10". The water's about shoulder deep right here. Don't forget to bring your goggles. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring mine. This water is so clear, it'd be perfect for some snorkeling right here. So don't forget your snorkel set up. It's time to swim, baby. You know how we do it. Strip them down and get them wet. She says it's cold. She says it's a little cold. Is it cold?
Look, 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 look.
We got a dude sailing across the sky up there. Very good water. Turner Falls, people. We're leaving the waterfall. This is some Pirates of the Caribbean stuff right here. Right here in Oklahoma. Get you a little taste of the Caribbean. There's the cave right up there. Looking at the waterfall from the other side. Mermaid spotting up here on the side of the rock. Very Neverland-esque. Crawling into a cave here. Ah. Got the water drips, classic. This is a good little picnic spot right here. Nice and cool. Very cool. Oklahoma cave. Complete with water. Water drops straight out the ceiling. A little bit of sunburn maybe from yesterday's adventure, but it's all gonna be all right. I'm currently squatting down in cave water. Got drips and drops coming off the ceiling. That's the real deal. We're still strolling along, making our way. It's getting a little warm. It's another 100-degree day. I decided we should come today because next week we'll be in the mid-70s here. All week long looks like, maybe mid-70s, upper 70s, so we gotta get that swimming in while we can, folks. Summer is coming to an end here in Oklahoma.
Maravilhoso. Não tenho palavras para descrever. Brasileiros precisam vir. Venham, venham, venham rápido. Conhecer esse lugar maravilhoso.
She said it's a beautiful place words cannot describe. Brazilians would love it here. Come check it out. All right, we're making our way over to the slides and diving boards. She got that old sun hat. Shout out Dale Brisby. Getting western out here. Crossing over some nice water. You can swim here. You can swim here. You can climb there. You can swim anywhere. You can basically do anything you want within reason. So this whole thing is a big playground for you. Let's get over here to these slides. Check her out, old sun. All right, we made it to that slide. This slide is steep. It will catch your stomach. Lots of water down the nose, down the throat. Yeah, I wasn't kidding. But it's good, man. Come get you some of that Oklahoma water deep in your lungs. It'll change your life. If you couldn't tell from the video, I got a whole bunch of water up my nose going down the slide, hitting that water. Then off the diving board, busted my face and eyeball right smack into the water like a face belly flop. Couldn't have done it any better, okay? That's Seth style right there, okay? Let's go do it again. See, you're about to witness the greatest slide that ever took place. Get lit. There's no beer for a cowboy at the trading post. Guys, I think this about wraps up our Turner Falls trip. It's been a good trip. Maybe we'll head on over to Arbuckle Wilderness.